A, right? A part. CH3, CH2, COOH, CH3, CH2, CN, CH3, CH, CH3, OH, CH3, C double bond O, CH3, CH3, C double bond O, O, C2H5. Okay. You have 3 minutes, है ना? आयशा बिहार में थी ना? यस आयशा, बिहार में कहाँ पे थी आप? पटना?
पटना। हाँ, जब हम लोग नानी को हॉस्पिटल लेके गए थे उस वक्त, बेसिकली हम लोग उस वक्त दरभंगा में थे।
अच्छा, दरभंगा में थे। गया नजदीक ही है ना उधर से, तो दरभंगा से।
हाँ, मधुबनी साइड हुआ ना दरभंगा।
हम्म। दरभंगा तो मधुबनी तो पहले दरभंगा में ही था,
हाँ, वही
है
उसी
ना?
साइड पे थे। हाँ शायद।
उसी से हटा है। अच्छा हाँ, आपको तो कम ही पता होगा हमसे, क्योंकि आप तो रही नहीं है। सो तिलकुट वगैरह लेके गए होंगे आप लोग कि नहीं?
वो वेट एक्चुअली सर, हमारी फ्लाइट ना सऊदी एयरलाइंस से थी, लेकिन वो कैंसिल हो गया, तो पापा को चार्टर प्लेन करना पड़ा और पापा को इमरजेंसी मतलब कि उसकी वजह से आना पड़ा सर, क्योंकि ओमिक्रॉन का आने वाला है। तो
हाँ
जो फ्लाइट थी ना उसमें सिर्फ 30 ही किलो अलाउड था, तो इस वजह से उतना सामान नहीं लेके आ पाए। मम्मी ने वो जो आप जानते होंगे ना, जो बिटिया का जो गुड़ होता है वो सब,
क्या?
एक बिटिया का जो गुड़ होता है, शायद जानते होंगे आप, जो लिक्विड वाला होता है।
अच्छा, गुड़।
हाँ, वो सब लेके आई वो थोड़ा वहां से।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। नहीं हाँ, लाइक आई डोंट नो, तिलकुट मिलना चालू भी हुआ होगा कि नहीं हुआ होगा वहाँ पे अभी।
हाँ, ठंडी के वक्त मिलता है
मिलता
तिलकुट,
है
और
हाँ।
पता नहीं शायद
बेचक। हम्म,
कहते हैं उसको, आप जानते होंगे।
नहीं, फिर से बोलिए क्योंकि आवाज कट गई आपकी।
सिंह किसे एक पता नहीं कुछ होता है ना, जो आप लोग तो जानते होंगे ना, मूरी कहते हैं हम लोग उसे। लाई जो होता है
हाँ
गुड़
हाँ
में बना हुआ,
हाँ हाँ
वो
हाँ हाँ
सब
हाँ।
अभी मिलना शुरू हुआ था ना, वहाँ अच्छा लग रहा था।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा। एनीवन एल्स हु इज फ्रॉम बिहार? नो आई थिंक नो। Rishma, where are you from? I just know that you are in Kuwait. I don't know. I don't remember. Maybe you must have told me, but I don't remember. Yeah,
I'm
Hishma?
from Sri Lanka.
Ah, you are from Sri Lanka. What about Mariam?
Sir, Lucknow, Mumbai.
है? ये कैसा, ये कौन सा जगह है, लखनऊ मुंबई?
Sir, my dad is from Mumbai. My mom is from Lucknow.
Your dad is from Mumbai, or he is from somewhere else, and he is his
Sir,
parents
I
were
don't
in.
really know, but he said that he's from Mumbai. That's all I know.
Oh God, you are saying he said that, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आप किसी से मिल के आई हैं।
Sir, I've been to India only twice, so I have like no idea.
Okay, Aisha spoke something, but उनकी आवाज अभी आ रही है. Okay, only twice.
Sir, and that too when I was born, and then the second time was in like 2015 or 2010.
2015, and okay, you must be very small then. I think around that age, na, around that age, I have my Fala in Qatar. She came with her very small child. वो यहाँ आके क्या बोलती है, यहाँ इतने लोग क्यों हैं? That was the first expression of India for her. यहाँ
Same,
इतने लोग.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ये
Everywhere you go,
same
there's
चीज हुआ था
relatives that
हमारे
comes up
साथ.
to you.
Just to see, I mean, that's really strange observation because in Qatar you don't have anyone. I think all the streets are vacant. I think those who live in Kingdom, I think there is some population in Kingdom, but Qatar is, I think, very little population. Also, if someone lives in Kingdom, they may be okay with the crowd because during Hajj and also Ramadan in the Haram, they have a lot of people. So you may see a lot of people in Kingdom because every year many people come.
So actually the people जो मतलब यहाँ रहते हैं ना, उनको ना इंडिया में रहना उतना सही नहीं लगता है, शोर शराबा, और हम लोग इंडिया में चल भी नहीं पाते हैं ढंग से.
I know. But still, one reason that I would always like to stay here is that festivals are quite boring in Middle East. They are very boring.
Sir, there is no festival here almost.
No festival.
You just
हाँ,
stay home or like go out, smell the
Yeah.
air and come back home.
और फ्रेंड्स है तो साथ में बस कुछ घंटे के लिए, वो इंडिया वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती है कि होता है ना ईद का जा रहे हैं पूरा
yeah.
रिश्तेदार लोग आए हुए हैं.
Ishma, have you been to Sri Lanka or you have stayed all?
पूछना था कि
हाँ, Aisha, tell me.
मुझे पूछना था, आप कहे थे ना आप झारखंड, क्या आप झारखंड में किस एरिया से थे? लाइक कौन सा सिटी था वो जो आपने कहा था?
Jharkhand, I mean, I live in a village, but the district is Chaibasa.
चाईबासा से मेरी कजन है, और मतलब मेरे जो नौशेर भाई है ना वो वहीं के हैं.
अरे वाह, small world.
हाँ, लाइक अभी आने से पहले मेरी कजन का मतलब निकाह हुआ सर, तो पता चला कि वो वहीं के. तो मुझे झारखंड से याद आ रहा था कि मैं मम्मी को बोल रही थी कि मेरे सर भी वहीं के हैं झारखंड में कहीं से, लेकिन मुझे याद नहीं आ रहा था कि आप कहाँ के हैं.
हाँ, okay. What about you, Heshma? Tell me about Sri Lanka. Have you been there?
So I was born and brought up there. Till 4th standard, I studied there.
Till 4th standard studied there. And have you been to any other country except Kuwait or Sri Lanka?
No. Once I've been to Dubai.
Once you have been to Dubai. Okay. What is she saying? Mariam, you can just name the functional group, na? Mariam.
Okay, sir.
The suffix only. Yeah, right. Very good. Suffix only. I want the suffix only. Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Safwan, I guess you are from Hyderabad, na?
Yes, sir.
So this is oic acid. Yes? Yes or no, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What about this one, B? What is B? B is? Anyone, please? Someone?
Nitrile.
Nitrile, very good. Nitrile. What about this one, C1?
On.
OL, all, very good. What about this, D?
On.
On, very good. एक ही जवाब दे रही है, अब बस आप मत दीजिए. Next. Aisha, tell me. E. Yes, Aisha. अच्छा, आवाज ही नहीं आ रही इनकी. सफान, आप बताइए. E.
जी सर.
E. Which functional group is that? The E question.
पता नहीं सर।
पता नहीं. अच्छा, you have the list ना functional group, yes or no? You have the functional group list ना?
शायद.
शायद. अरे, you don't have notebook in front of you, सफवान. ऐसी बातें क्यों करते हैं आप?
एक सेकंड.
देखिए देखिए, अरे नोटबुक भी आपने नहीं खोला हुआ, बताइए. Samaira, tell me.
OA,
Oh, 8, very good. And this one, Hishma, F,
amide,
amide. And Aisha, I think it will be better if you write the answers in chat because I could not hear what did you say. Okay. Now again, you have to do identification. So let us see, A part is now. Look, you can understand this, right? If you don't understand any one of these parts, please let me know. Sir, can you please expand the A structure, B structure, or C structure? See it like that, okay? I think this much is fine. And you can see now all these structures. Please write this down. Let me know now if you want to expand a structure, any one of this structure. Yes, Samira. I will expand slowly, okay? So please see. Is this enough? Samira? Yes, Samira, is this fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay. G, I, and J, Mariam. Okay. G, I, and J. Miss Mariam, can you please speak?
Yes, sir.
Tell me for G now, what is your problem? Let us first circle what is not carbon and what is not carbon hydrogens. Okay, let us circle whatever is hetero. I can say that. So this is not carbon hydrogen. This is not carbon hydrogen. This is nitrogen. Okay, and this is not carbon hydrogen. So now you will tell me: are the fluorines? Are these fluorine in the functional group? Are they present in the functional group? Tell me, yes or no?
No.
No, no. What is present? The CN is present in functional group. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So tell me what will be the functional group name?
Nitrile.
Nitrile, yeah.
Sir, but how triple bond? Okay, okay.
Triple bond.
Yes, sir. Between C
Okay.
and N.
Okay, so you want triple bond in CNN. So let us see. I have written carbon and I have written one bond like this. So this carbon needs how many bonds? 3 bonds, no?
3.
Yeah. And nitrogen makes 3 bonds. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it.
Yes,
So
sir.
it is implicit. Okay, it is implicit that the triple bonds. Okay. Now, I mean, yeah, obviously you should have some problem. Sayyid Muhammad Muhyiddin. Is he for this class or is he here for other class? Assalamu alaikum, Muhammad. How are you? Yes, Muhammad. How are you? Okay. Is he not here? What is happening?
Hello, sir.
Did you join early?
No, sir. I was outside.
You joined late.
Yeah. Last class also I missed, sir.
Last class also you missed.
Yeah.
ऐसे कैसे चलेगा? Did you watch the lecture?
No, sir.
Okay. So let us see how much you can retain this. Okay. Is everyone done? Yes or no, guys? Others? Aisha got disconnected. Mariam, Safwan, Samaira, Ishma.
Yes,
Okay, so
sir.
you must be having problems in these two. Anna, I and J. Okay, so let me, okay, fine. Start with Anna. All of you, please turn the mic on. Ishma, Mariam, Safwan, Samaira. Yes, Safwan. For the A, what is A?
Yes, sir.
What is A?
On.
Own. What about B?
08.
08.
08, very good. What about C?
Al.
Al. What happens, Safwan? You have not written these answers. Safwan? Yes, Safwan. Why?
आता नहीं sir.
Aata nahi. You have the functional group list, yes or no?
Test?
Do you have the functional group list? Were you present in
sir.
the last lecture? You are not present in the last lecture?
I don't know.
Great. What will be this one? D? Yes, girls?
Amine.
D.
Oic acid.
Oic acid. Who said oic acid? Oic acid में double O होगा ना? Yes, tell me what is D?
All.
All, no? Yeah, all, not oic acid. There is no double bond O. Who said oic acid? Please tell me now. Who said oic acid?
So I said.
And you are saying ol also. Wow. What about E?
Amine.
Amine, very good. What about F?
All.
All, very good. And this is nitrile. And what about H?
Oic acid.
acid.
Oic acid. Now we have a dilemma here. What? Okay. Anyone who wrote the answer for this one?
Oic acid and amine.
Oic acid and amine both. एक तो oic acid नहीं है. ये आप लोग तो पहचानते नहीं है ना? Okay. This is the carbon with the double bond. Yes or no? Oic
Yes, sir.
acid. है ना? मरियम आप कह रही हैं oic acid होगा?
No, sir.
अच्छा, who said oic acid then? Hishma?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, Hishma. You tell me. This is the carbon which is having double bond.
Yes.
So this carbon should have the OH, yes or no? Look at the oic acid. Like see here, you have double bond carbon and the same carbon is having the OH group. Yes or no?
Yes.
Ishma? Now
Yes,
here the another carbon is having oic. Here the another carbon is having the OH group. That is why this is not oic acid. You got the difference? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Anna, you got the difference. Now here you have to see that there are many functional group here. Okay, there are what functional group? You have double bond O, C double bond O. You have OH and NH2. You have OH and NH2. Now you will tell me whose priority is highest? Whose priority is highest? This is on, this is ol, this is amine. So tell me whose priority is highest?
Own.
Own's priority is highest. Now, so you will ignore these. So you will ignore these and you will not treat them as functional group. Okay, you will not treat them as functional group. You will treat what as functional group? The own as functional group because it has the highest priority. All of you got the priority, yes or no? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Samaira, Hishma, Mariam, Safwan, Samaira, Aisha. Aisha, you got disconnected. All of you got the
Sir,
priority.
how do we determine priority?
You have the list.
Yes, sir.
उसमें जो पहले आ गया वही I mean that is more prior. I mean
Okay,
it has
sir.
more priority. Okay, so first of all you will have carboxylic acid, the oic acid, then sulfuric acid, then O8, and then you will have oil halide, then amide, then nitrile, and so on. Okay,
Yes,
got
sir.
it, Mariam? Okay, now you all will tell me for this one. J. You will use the priority and then tell me.
Oic acid.
Yeah, very good. Oic acid. All of you saw oic acid?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is one of the functional groups that we can consider. This is one of the functional group that we can consider. This is one of the functional group that we can consider. But from here we see that this is what oic acid, this is nitrile, and this is O8. So first of all, you will see that if you see C double bond O now, if you see C double bond O, so write this as a note. In an organic compound, if you see C double bond O, C double bond O, then always look right and left to it. Right and left to it. Because see, C double bond O, there is what? There is nothing. I mean, there here also carbon and here also carbon. Both are these carbon, then this will be on. If you have C double bond O and here is OH, then this will be oic acid. And here again, if you have C double bond O and let us say you have X, then this will be oil halide. C double bond O, then in the right, if you have NH2, then this will be what? This will be amide. C double bond O, if you have OR like this, then this will be O8. If you have C double bond O, and then you have what? Hydrogen here or there, then this will be al. Okay. So please, whenever, if you see, and all of you, I mean, you can see that all of these are what? All of these are higher in priority, right? These are higher in priority. So first of all, whenever you have to identify a functional group, look for C double bond O. If C double bond O is there, then don't look at any other, except for C triple bond N. C triple bond N has higher priority than the own and the al. Write this down. Let me know if you're done.
Done, sir.
Done, guys? Done, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Done now? Okay. Now let us write the next part, that is unsaturation. Functional group is done. We are moving to the next part, unsaturation. Unsaturation. So what is unsaturation? Tell me. What is unsaturation?
Double, triple bonds.
Double bond, triple bond. Wait a second. बस
Alkynes.
एक चीज बस आप लोग और लिख लीजिए यही नोट पे. Just remembered that. Just write one more point. If there is no functional group, then the suffix is E, the only letter E, okay? If there is no functional group, then the suffix is E. For example, if you have like this, and there is Cl. So Cl is not a functional group, then the suffix I will say, what will be the suffix? The functional group, if I will say, for functional group, you will write E, okay? Similarly, if you have, let us say, for example, NO2 like this. So obviously here also you don't have any functional group. So functional group will be what? E. Okay, guys. Any problem?
No, sir.
No problem, right? No problem. Okay. Now, yeah, what I was trying to tell you guys, unsaturation. Unsaturation. So for unsaturation, initially you will write 3 points. Number 1, single bond. Then you will use AN. If only single bond is present, okay. If only single bonds is present, then you will use the what? AN. You will say that, sir, AN, okay. Second, double bond. Then you will say, sir, it is EN. Okay, only E and N, not another E. Triple bond. Then you will say it is YN. Got it? If there is no double or triple bond and only single bond is present between carbon carbon, all these bonds should be carbon carbon. ऐसे नहीं कि C double bond O देख के बोलने लगे कि EN है ना? What I'm talking about is carbon carbon bonds. I'm talking about carbon carbon bonds. Okay. So if there is no double bond or no double or triple bond and only single bond is present between carbon and carbon, then the unsaturation is AN. Okay, unsaturation is AN. And this is only in nomenclature you will say AN. Okay, unsaturation has a different meaning, but in the placement of the parts of IUPAC name, unsaturation will have AN, EN, or YN. Okay, AN, EN, or YN. Right, next point. Right, next point. If a molecule has more than one double or triple bond, then let us say if it has two double or triple bond, then I will use the prefix di. If it has 3, then I will use tri. If it has 4, then I will use what? Tetra. For 5, I will use penta. For 6, I will use hexa. Okay. So for example, if I write like this, then you will say, so this is E. What is this? This is EN. Okay, this is EN. If I have something like this, and say, so this is YN. This is YN. But if I have something like this, let us say, then what is this? Sorry, this is diene. Okay, this is diene. If you have something like this, this is triene. Okay, please write this down. Let me know if you're done.
Done, sir.
All of you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All right, questions, no? Let us see. This is one carbon, this is carbon, okay? So now I will tell you for, okay, wait a second. Let me tell you for the most toughest one, and then you can say for all the others, okay? So let me just write an example for the toughest one that you can get somewhere is, and you have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what we can say from here is, how many double bonds are there? So 1, 2, 3, 4 double bonds. So this will be tetraene and 2 triple bonds, tetraene diene. You'll write it like this. Okay. So if you have something like this, this is what this is, ene. So first you will write the double, then the triple bond. First double bond is written and then triple bond is written. Okay. For example, if you have something like this. This is also E9. This is di-E9. Okay, di-E9. Write this, write this.
Answer.
Now I can give you questions. I think we don't need to expand here, no?
Done, sir.
Done. Okay. Anyone else who's done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tell me, A, what is this?
And die by N.
Diene. Diene, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about B?
Die N.
Diane.
Diene. Diene. This is diene. What about C? What about C?
In.
Een. Okay. What about D?
Try.
Triene. What about E?
Try in.
Triene. What about F?
Die.
Diane.
Diene. Okay, fine. So all of you are okay and you are good with unsaturation, right? Any problem in unsaturation? No, no? No problem?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, next one is parent chain. Right? Parent chain. Okay, right, parent chain. Now, here what I would do. Wait a second. So let me write one thing. That parent chain is also known as root, main chain, or skeletal. Achha, one more thing. Tell me about this now. Let me give an example. Tell me what will be this one.
N. A-N.
AN, only AN, okay? Not 1, 2, 3, 4, not tetra N, only AN. So if you have just single bond, you don't need to tell how many single bonds are there. But if you have double bond or triple bond, you have to tell how many double or triple bonds are there, okay? So if it is only single bonds, AN. Okay, so I think let me just write with me number of carbon atoms. Number of carbon atoms, okay? And here I am writing the parent. And what is the parent named as? What is the parent named as? Okay. So if you have, let us say, one carbon atom, then the parent is named as meth, na? Meth. 2 will be eth. If you have 3 parent, then it will be meth, eth, prop, bute, pent, hex. Okay. See, not penta, not buta, not hexa. Okay. 7, hept. 8 will be oct. 9 will be
Non.
non. 10 will be how much?
Deck.
Yeah. 10 will be deck. 11 undeck. 12 dodeck. Okay. 13 trideck. 14 tetradeck, and so on. Okay. Tetra, penta, hexa. If you have 20, this is known as ICOS. You'll use ICOS. 21 hen ICOS. चलिए इतना काफी है. ऐसे if you will just Google ना parent name IUPAC nomenclature, you will get till 1000.